Abusia de OSP Michioma, Office of the Special Prosecutor, Kisi Ejaben, declare yankasa ye former Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta Fugitive. Nenkofo bisa say, eno kura anything. DNA sinti a wabeka papa no waye wanted a ye shen gidi. Just wako POB manswa abeye trend ewo Ghana. Jebre na memfa mu nsem because my bobo ansem na no ankasa my body do sopo ana me de eba besomo aha let's talk ghtrends and then first time I pop into video no so say obe subscribe ama me no akeke notification bell no so say the latest update bi aba on sabit me aka no follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so as let's talk ghtrends no share video we ama afoforo abehwe wo comment bi abit meja e comment section wo e de ama no say eno adaye wo hwa na ye te say yes see armed men be many uniform be ready former Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta ni fear te so omukoye no ma nkoto ne wife ono ane ho keni ene some family members bi wo ane nkofo bisa die na ekoso wo Ghana obi timi ko obi fie ko so ko ready ho ana chese abeye news abeye ayemhihie eda ho anche ane ehun sem kisi ejaben the OSP abeye press conference a o chechire nsemu ne nsem a wo twire mu no ne tintini ne tietie mu nyina ne say o say o match letter on several occasions e de ama Ken Ofori-Atta o mu hia no so beba be assist omo with investigations be about the National Cathedral sika na omo se omo de akotu amana no so omo si asori dai na anyeye no any ambulance spare parts saga ho nsem ye be trendy ye ya revenue ho nsem ene ensem ne ahodo num o say on 4 na omo cho ho letter de command so omo hia no so obeba no abecheche ni nsemu obeboa omo no ma investigation into the matter because on na ye finance minister without ono no yentimi approve sika ma obi mfanye bibi ewo manyimu eti womra no meyi ano.
He has no intention of willingly returning to the jurisdiction. That much is clear to us. Consequently, ladies and gentlemen of the media, the OSP declares Kenneth Nanaya Ofori-Atta a wanted person. He is a fugitive from justice. The OSP will take all necessary legal steps to secure his return to the jurisdiction and attendance at the OSP. And this is to Mr. Ofori-Atta. You have two choices. You can either return to the jurisdiction voluntarily or the OSP will enforce your return.
Ni nyina na na omo letter na de ko ni nyina no ne lawyers anana eni omo communicate as omo pa che se papa no eni ha papa ne yare enti no ontimi ma meyi ensem na no ana ontimi ma me assist omo with the investigations na omo kan ti lawyers ne kwa na na epese omo standing in edema Ken Ofori-Atta na omo se dabi sa de ye nye ne sa enti no omo hia onwa mu na oma ye ni enti no ene press conference a OSP ye ne nsem a wo kire mu nyina ne say we declare Ken Ofori-Atta fugitive. Na the word fugitive ni gina ho ma say o refuse say obeba be face mra o refuse say obeba nye waba be assist omo na criminal charges and say ensem a ye de ato ne so no ora be yi na no wo ho enu nti we declare no wanted na no na manfo ka say ade papa no mo de subo bi abo no wako face law wakomlem ana modim eyi bia bono na wadwane ana because say saade a ana obetimi aka say ene papa we kwa no say ni say ana say declare no fugitive ana say wanted ana say bibisa but o say letter na mode akoma no enti na ade enti na aba ni say ana face so nkofo bisa say concerned citizens ebisa say OSP time ana his excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo ye president no na wa na we OSP. What took you so long? Say afeya aban foforo aba no e na wode wunsem eba ene Ghana fo ni bia bonechi ye pa in as much as enkofo pese Ken Ofori-Atta beba obeba be yi na no e de ne nsem aba be kire aba be assist omo with the investigations no amanfo guso omo bisa say what took him so long eye OSP Jaben, what took him so long say afei ana oba abontin aba be keka nsem we nyina e de akire Ghana fo ade opese otu futuro egu Ghana fo ani ana na afei no pese oye relevant ene ensem no de edoso ye Ghana fo ni bi e bonechi ankasa omo kire se ono kura no ne ho e wasem ena no pa we na ya Brefo so say eye nhwehwe ni mu ana papa no wabeye no ena nchen kwa no adenti na dada wankasa oral team no working on these cases Enti no se na wo so wo investigation na, why didn't you just come out to say me investigation, so you people should hold on na monkoye bibi foforo na wahwama oral akọ presente omu findings ama president John Dramani Mahama no afei na wo waba abonti a wo press conference ene waso jesi ni so
one should check Ofori-Atta or a fugitive of justice. And they ask, and they one more extradited and Nabagana had. I say, when you say that doesn't necessarily mean that yes, extradited. But you gave two things that you are supposed to do, and now two things that is involved. Either he himself submits himself, and I say, oh, Bekwa the Nabagana. Then you only inquire about me. Why call him a fugitive of justice? Yay. Wouldn't inquire about me if you America, Ghana. Why are you calling him? Just like she animals. Because I don't know, she animal. And ora, Eden some adequate man penny. And rather so entire. Alright, money yen, the Juman, you the case is born to what, and what the call money on man penny. And then somewhere one make up once, already the Juma. These issues that I mentioned, and someone make up was him now, it was part of the job that Ora did. A Juma Ora, a gun has it, and someone may boss on it, and near Mount Wenty, and they, OSP, so I reckon Ofori-Atta. It was part of the work. Ora, so where were you? You had all these and you decided to sit on it and come and tell us after Ora. After Ora finished his job. And Wabedana, it's a fugitive of justice. Massa, why is that a friend? What I say, yeah, why is that a friend? What I baby you name? Asa kwala ye de tofie dire nanim na ye de say tofie ubedi ubedi na asa ono so predi na no kwa ho. That's how I see it. Asa mo animre o adwuma wo ye na ye de ama mo animre da no na usu sa wo ya ankonam ene wanya ntabai. Ebi say na buy na me. I don't believe so. I don't think so. I don't believe so. And I'm even telling the government, you should be careful about this OSP. Me say Muadin now, His Excellency John Dramani, Muadin now about this OSP. You should be careful. She animal. Mama kwa homa so. Na me na yera dofo. And say spare parts ya kwato ya no am tresa na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo. Nema ekofo spare parts ya de ba ya sikabotina yetua ye. About $34.9 million. Ambulance yo. 307 ambulance spare parts. Sika ye bo ho ka ye de kwato ye ni nyina na ho behia se ye bebisem. Na wo ba be yi anu no wo kire mu o. Kwaya fa so a so ase ana kwaya si bibia ne beto no obi atumi abidi bie ne atumi akwakoto. MPA 1.3 billion probe bia no so omoka ho asem a Mustafa Hamid din aba be PMBA MPA 1.3 billion probe. But the question I ask myself, were these things done at the time, or the OSP didn't know about these things that we all spoke about in this country? That the OSP couldn't come out to tell us, say, me ye shushomu na braso, ma invite Yerakan Ofori-Atta, so amra, chaya aba isasaye, and then ye pia bonte kasa ya toilet aye invitation. Na de kwa ye lawyer say, o yare na yare no, wonim time o beba indefinite. What to kwa America indefinite. Yeah, OSP. Minima adwuma wo te wa wo ye o. Mentiase ya minim. Ebi apost na wo wom na apesa wo mama wo tena ho saa no ntina wo ye say amentiase. Yeah. What were you waiting for? As Martin Pebu will ask, what took you this time, Ben? Why did it take you this long? As a name now, Babante. Yeah. OSP, Akwasi Peter. Why did it take you this long before you decided to come out yesterday? Before you came out yesterday to come and tell us that.
Se see ade ken Ofori-Atta ena OSP hwehwe ne den. Wo se baby biara wo bia wo bekwa kofa na ba. Se wo refuse se ono abeba be face mu na ono abekwa kofa na ba enye ye hwe se Interpol e de ne beba ana se ono a ken Ofori-Atta na de ne ho beba se maba momfa menye nia mope medi mani edi ensem nechi any updates be afi ho ba medi ebebe. Don't forget so be follow your Facebook as Let's Talk GH and TikTok so as Let's Talk GH. Meeting Edina Nipia Sansa. makram.